Hi, I am Sampath. You are watching Sampath Samfx channel. Let's begin this video. Just today I have updated my Redmi Note 7 Pro to 12.0.4.0 MIUI 12 update. In this update, first thing we will notice is the version update itself. I mean from MIUI 12.0.1.0 to 12.0.4.0 update. In this they have clearly mentioned what's new. It is clearly mentioned two new filters they have added. One is gold vibes, the other one is lime. These two filters added in the camera application, I mean stock MIUI camera applications. Many of them are not received this update. Maybe you will receive this update in batches, and if you want to update it manually, I will give you the link. You need to first enable these options in settings about the phone. Tap on that MIUI logo, I mean where you will see that MIUI 12 point some update. Already you have that stable update. There you need to tap. Sometimes you will get these options. There you need to have given the link in the description. If you are in a custom ROM or any different ROM other than the MIUI 12.0.1 global stable, then you need to use recovery file. You need to flash custom recovery, then you need to install. Or you are already in the stable ROM, in such case you need to directly install OTA file and update through choose update package. If you are from other ROM, you need to go to reboot to recovery mode. These options will only available when you tap on that MIUI 12 logo. Now coming to this update, we received this morning itself. Some received till afternoon, and the first and foremost thing I noticed is the security status. I mean earlier it was on different month, now it is updated to 1st October 2020. Latest security patch we got it, and still it is 110 only. And one more thing I noticed after this update is the notification toggle and the control center. You will get now when you are in like landscape mode watching videos or YouTube like that, for example, you will get both the notification toggles and the control center side by side now after this update. And the next thing I noticed is in the camera app itself. Let's open the camera app only. In the camera app you can take this filter star logo. There you can enable these filters. First one is gold vibes, the second one is lime. These filters you can apply in 48 megapixel mode also. These filters you can apply in 48 megapixel mode and even in the portrait mode, only in the back camera. Even in the manual mode also this one will work, not in the selfie mode. There you will have other different filters. Okay, now while taking picture, see, this is I am capturing tree photo. In that I am showing like this is normal mode, the other one is gold vibe, the other one is lime. Similarly I have captured sweets picture. This is one normal one, this is the gold vibe filter, and next one is the lime filter. Similarly I captured many other photos, you can check out and see it guys. From settings you can change it like this. After this update, this is the Geekbench 5 scores we got on the Redmi Note 7 Pro after MIUI 12.0.4.0 update. That's it guys, this is MIUI 12.0.4.0 update. If you like the video, like it and share this video to all Redmi Note 7 Pro users. And if you want to see Call of Duty mobile gameplay after and before the update, you can see at the end of this video. And this is the battery life I got after the update. I don't see any major issues or any bugs in this update. You can update it properly. That's all for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Loading.